Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're making chapattis or flatbread, and we're going to start by adding our flour. I'm using 5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I've just added 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 5 tablespoons of ghee. And as you can see, I'm just mixing all the lumps of oil and sugar and salt just to combine them, so that when I'm kneading my dough, it does not have lumps. And then we're going to be using warm water. You can use hot, but do not use cold, because it will be a hard chapati. So we're going to be using 1.5 cup, but I will be adding the other half gradually so that my dough does not become sticky. And then we're going to knead this into a dough. And guys, this whole process of kneading is just 5 minutes. The whole 3 minutes is mixing and adding the water, and then we're going to knead this for 2 minutes and cover it and set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. It does not have to be that long. So, and guys, I wanted to let you know that making chapatis is not that hard. People fear making chapatis because they think it has a lot of process, but actually when you get a grip of it, it's easy and it's quick. And as you can see, our kneading is already complete. Our dough is combined and it's all together and it's easy to work with. So we're going to cover this with a kitchen towel and set it aside for 10 minutes. And setting it aside and letting it cool helps in making it continue to be soft. As you can see, the texture is changed. It's a little smoother. So we're going to make a roll out of it and cut into slices and make balls. And guys, if you wish to make this quicker, you can just roll out the whole dough and then apply oil and a little bit of flour and then roll it. And then after rolling it, cut it into slices and your rolls will be already ready-made. That will be so quick. But I'm taking the long way because I wanted to show you all the methods. But we're going to be making the long, easy way. So we're going to be making rolls out of this. And as you can see, it's forming a dough quite quickly because the dough is easy to work with. It's not sticky. The water was enough. And then we're going to be rolling it out and making rolls out of it. And then we're going to cover this with a film just to keep the moist. And every stage it takes, it continues to soften. So now we're going to take one by one and fold it. Not fold it, sorry. Knead it into, roll it. I don't know why I'm confusing each word I'm saying. So we're going to roll it and apply oil and flour. The flour is just to help the separation of the dough so that it does not stick to each other. The oil will help, but the flour will also make layers out of it. And there are so many methods you can use at this stage, but I'm using the easy roll and beat and roll. But you can also cut in the middle and make a roll out of it. Just any way you can do to make this circle. You can also make it a box by folding each side together, and your chapattis will be box design, will be triangle, not triangle, square. I hope, guys, you don't mind my background sound, because I seem to have a lot of noise. So we're going to do this to all the dough. And also, depending on how you do this, will determine how your chapattis will look like. Since if you want it layered, there's so many ways you can do this that it will actually remove the chapattis to be so much layered. But this will just give it a bit like 2 pages or 3. My grandma used to tell me to make chapattis that looks like a book. So we're going to roll this out and start making our chapattis. Transfer it to a pan, and then when you start to see the bubbles and it's brown from the other side, we will flip it. At this stage, you can use a spatula, you can use a spoon, you can also use a kitchen towel, but I choose to use a pepper. This is the pepper, the one I removed the fluff from. This will help in creating the pattern, the layer, and it will make it look beautiful and just not the patches. The chapati, I don't like the chapatis that look like they have, you see the back of it? That's how most chapatis look like. But with the paper and the spatula or the spoon, either the one that you choose to use, will help make it beautiful and brown. And then we're going to be using the whole chapati for 2 spoons. 1 spoon at the back and 1 spoon at the front, and our chapatis are ready. Some people choose to add oil before putting the dough. You can also do that and flip it and add more oil, but that will use a lot of oil, and this one is a little quicker and it does not need much oil, just 2 spoons at each chapati. And as you can see, if it starts to bring bubbles, you just flip it to the other side and then use the pepper. And as you can see, the other side is already cooked. So what this pepper will do is it will help cook the whole chapatis from inside. And as you can see, when I'm pressing it, it removes a little bit of air. So that means the layers are creating itself from the inside and it's getting cooked. So we're going to be doing this with all the chapatis that we made. The 5 cups made about 12 chapatis. So you can choose to add and adjust your ingredients depending on how much or how many you want your chapattis to be. And after all the 12 pieces of chapattis, our chapattis are ready now. So as you can see, I'm showing you how soft it is, and guys, it's hot. So as you can see, it's layered. It has the rolls that we made helped it to create more layers, and it's soft. It's hot, so I'm looking for the one that will help me show you. As you can see, there it is, like 3 pages, just like I said. So if you try this at home, please try it and share it with people and friends, and bring more to watch my videos. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.